should be complete shutdown of plant. Okay, so in the case of batch type, so as we are charging one after other, n number of digesters will be there, we are charging one after the other. Okay, so that, okay, if you shut down one digester, there is no problem, continuously gas will be available. Whereas here, only single tank is there. If you are, okay, moving for a maintenance, completely have to shut down the plant. Completely have to shut down the plant. That will be the major drawback in this particular type of thing. Okay, gas digester. That is the major drawback. Okay, next coming to the floating drum. Okay, based on if the pressure increases, automatically drum will be there. Floating drums moves upwards, and if the pressure decreases, floating drum moves downwards. Like that, by as the pressure changes, floating drum also changes such that it will maintain around constant temperature, constant pressure inside the drum, that we can call as a. So as you are using a floating drum to maintain the pressure as constant, this may be called as a floating drum type or constant pressure type. Floating drum type or constant pressure type, you can say that. Okay, so type biogas plants. Okay, so numerous models of bio floating drum type biogas plants are developed in various countries. Okay, different types of batch type plants were developed, but okay, on India and China, so mostly we will go with a, okay, so before what a fixed dome type only we have used. Okay, so batch type will be used in mostly, okay, USA and other developed countries. Batch type will be useful. Okay, whereas in India mostly fixed dome type will use. This will be floating drum type. Okay, the floating drum type. So where by floating drum is moving continuously, so pressure is maintained constant. The digester is an underground masonry construction with a partition wall. Therefore, the plant operates very well with good gas yield. Here you can see that. Compared to fixed dome type, here you will have a more amount of gas will be released. In this particular type. So this is the diagram. This is the diagram of a floating drum type gas plant. This will be. Okay, so you can observe here. Okay, so this is a mixing tank. Where cow dung as well as water will be mixed. The same thing will be sent to the tank. Here you can have two walls. Okay, from one wall you can send the mixing. Okay, after digestion this will be moved to here, and from here to it will be taken out. So and also, okay, gas water is there here. Okay, gas water will move up and down based upon the pressure inside. Okay, so if the pressure increases, gas water automatically moves upwards. If the pressure decreases, gas water automatically moves down. Likewise, by moving up and down, the pressure inside will be maintained constant. As the pressure is maintained constant, here, okay, the slurry will be placed after completely digestion. It will be moved to another channel. Okay, again. Resource will be placed like that. Okay, after completely digested, it will be moved to the outer track. Okay, likewise continuously it can able to generate the continuously it can able to produce the resource, and after complete digestion you can remove to otherwise. Okay, complete pressure is continuous pressure is maintained inside using gas holder. Okay, continuous pressure is maintained. Okay, by moving up and down, the gas will be directly given to the gas stove, or it may be stored in the gas holder. Like that. Floating drum type plants. Okay, this will be the pictorial representation. Okay, here the mixed again. Here it will be mixed. The same will be sent to the tank. So once it is completely after it will be moved to the next one. Okay. So like this continuously. So even for maintenance also, even under maintenance also, you may not able to stop the process. Continuously it can able to produce the gas. Okay. Continuously you have to feed the resource. So once it is digested, it will be moved here first. After complete digestion, partial digestion, it will be moved. Once it is partially digested or complete digestion, it will move to the outlet tank. Okay, simple masonry work is required here. A metal floating gas holder is there. Continuously it will move up and down. Okay, such that continuously gas will be released. It will be directly you can utilize that we have seen. So what are the differences between? What are the main differences between fixed dome type and floating drum type? Okay, coming to the fixed dome type. Masonry of concrete structure entirely. Okay, total structure is a masonry of concrete structure. Whereas here, masonry digester with steel, plastic or composite based. Okay, here you will have a steel, plastic or composite based gas holder. Okay, so gas holder will use, which will move up and down to maintain the pressure here. Okay. So, and as it is a only masonry construction, it will be low cost. As it is a only masonry construction, it is of low cost. Okay, it will be high cost, 20 to 30% higher when comparing with the fixed dome. Okay, as simple masonry construction, low maintenance. Okay, it requires frequent maintenance. Okay. So two channels are there, you have to continuously move the resource from one channel to the another channel. Okay, so frequent maintenance is required here. Okay, in fixed dome, here is a low reliability, here is a high reliability. So high masonry and supervisory skill is required. Okay, so low masonry and fabricating skills is required. Here, total is a masonry work, so supervisory masonry and skill masonry is required. As here we are using some other steel and plastic or composite based gas holder, all those things. Some masonry work required will be less, so low masonry and skills are required here. Variable gas pressure complicates appliance design. Okay, continuously if it is, the pressure inside is changing, what will happen? It may damage the dome. Whereas here, constant pressure we are maintaining, so the design, so simplifies the appliance design and usage. Okay, so these are all the differences between fixed dome type and floating dome type. Okay, thank you very much.